Hello! Welcome to Smart Skeleton Channel. Here we testing human limits.
Hey there! What if you put your phone down for 30 whole days? Today, we find out exactly what science says happens. Let's go!
We will cover 10 major changes that happen when you quit your phone for a month. Some are expected, some are shocking, and a few might completely change how you see your daily habit.
Change number 1, NIG. Your sleep completely transforms. Most people scroll their phones until midnight, then wonder why they cannot fall asleep.
Research confirms that just 30 minutes of phone screen time before bed delays sleep onset by up to 90 minutes. Over 1 month, that adds up to...
Without the phone, most people start falling asleep faster within just 3 to 5 days. Deep sleep stages lengthen noticeably.
Sleep verdict Vado. Quitting your phone before bed is the most powerful free sleep upgrade that exists. No supplements, no gadgets, no special routines needed.
Change number 2, guys, goddamn, your focus returns. The average person checks their phone over 80 times per day.
Neuroscience shows it takes an average of 23 minutes to fully regain focus after a single interruption. Your prefrontal cortex literally starts functioning better.
Without constant interruption, people describe entering a flow state, that rare mental zone where time disappears and work feels effortless.
Your attention span isn't broken. It's buried under notifications. Remove the phone, and within 2 weeks, your brain remembers deep thought.
Change number 3, Town. Your anxiety drops significantly. Social media is engineered to trigger comparison, urgency, and fear of missing out.
Studies measuring cortisol, of your primary stress hormone MAT, show measurably elevated levels in heavy phone users compared to light users.
Without the phone, people report feeling noticeably calmer within the first week. By week 3, many describe a background sense of peace.
Anxiety verdict time. A significant portion of modern anxiety is phone-generated. Remove it for 30 days and your baseline stress level measurably falls. Confirmed.
Change number 4, your relationships deepen. There is actually a scientific term called phubbing, ignoring the person in front of you by looking at your phone. Studies show that simply having your phone on the table, even face down and silent dig, reduces the quality of conversation by measurable amounts.
Phone-free people report that conversations become deeper, more meaningful, and genuinely enjoyable again.
The phone is not just distracting you from work. It is distracting you from the people you love most. Real. Your productivity skyrockets. Here's a hard truth. Most phone use during workout communication. The average person spends 4 to 5 hours on their phone daily. Even recovering just half of that time gives you 2 extra hours every single day.
People on 30-day phone breaks report finishing projects that had been sitting untouched for months. The time was always there, it was just being consumed invisibly.
Productivity verdict tag. Your phone is the single biggest thief of time in your life right now. 60 recovered hours per month. This one is life-changing. Confirmed.
Change number 6. Your eating habits improve. Most people eat every meal while scrolling their phone. This is called distracted eating. Research shows distracted eaters consume up to 40% more calories per meal than mindful eaters. Without the phone, you naturally slow down.
Without the phone, mealtimes become tasting food more intensely.
Eating verdict. Remove the distraction and your body's signals reactivate. No diet plan required, no willpower. Confirmed.
Change number 7, buy-in. Your body starts moving again. It's one of the leading drivers of sedentary behavior.
Studies show phone-free people average 40% more daily steps than regular users.
People on phone breaks discover the outdoors again as if for the first time. Morning walks become a ritual. Hiking trails get explored.
Body and nature verdict down. Removing your phone does not just free your mind, it frees your entire body to move the way it evolved to move.
Change number 8, your creativity returns. When every idle moment is filled with phone content, your brain never gets the boredom it needs to generate original ideas.
Neuroscientists have discovered that boredom activates the default mode network, the part of your brain responsible for imagination. Phone-free people often describe a creative surge arriving around week 2. Ideas start coming during walks, showers, and quiet moments.
Creativity verdict gyros. You are not an uncreative person.
You are a creative person with a phone in your hand.
Change number 9, your perception of time completely shifts.
Psychologists studying time perception report that phone-free people consistently feel their days are longer and richer and more varied.
People who quit the phone describe experiencing individual moments with unusual depth and clarity.
Time verdict debate, the phone does not add to your life, it compresses it. 30 days without it and you recover the sensation that your life is actually happening.
So there you have it, 30 days, 10 life-changing transformations, every single one backed by real science, every single one available to you right now.
Start your morning exercise journey today. Subscribe for more health science. See you next time.